If you want to build a content engine that actually works in AI search, you do not need to drown yourself in endless publishing. You just need a repeatable system with predictable workflows. And that means you need a structure that makes your content easy for AI engines to understand and reuse without making it difficult for you to create your content. Hey, I'm Cassie Clark, fractional content strategist and the host of the Found in AI podcast, where I help marketers and founders understand GEO and AEO so we don't get lost in this new wave of AI search, because AI search is a little bit different than traditional search. So here's the simplest way to build an AI-friendly content engine without bringing on an entire content marketing team, especially if you're an early stage startup. So we're going to start with a source of truth document. Now basically, this is your brain on paper or a web page. It's going to include your core definitions, your product positioning, your frameworks, your customer insights, and the language that you want to own. Every piece of content you post, regardless of which channel it is, should trace back to this document. Next, we're going to create a question bank. So we're going to go in and we're going to pull real questions from customers, sales calls, Reddit threads, community groups, basically anywhere people are talking. As Charlie Graham, founder of Reusable, told me on a recent episode of Found in AI podcast, long tail questions are the backbone of optimized AI-friendly content. And Lindsay Hagen, vice president of marketing at Conductor, also a Found in AI guest, she suggested mapping those long-tail keywords and prompts directly to your audience personas. This is going to give you a better idea of how your audience goes in and prompts queries inside of these models and the kind of answers that they're expecting. So store those all in one place and then tag them by intent. Now, moving on to building a reusable outline. Every article should follow the same structure, and the FSA framework is good for this. So basically, start with a core idea, clear sections, and a clean path throughout your whole article with your explanation. So this makes your content easier to write, easier to maintain later on, and easier for AI engines to embed. Now, once you have the outline, go ahead and create a 2-week content cycle. Week 1 is for drafting and getting everything onto the paper. Week 2 is for editing, publishing, and refreshing older pieces. This cadence is going to keep your engine looking alive in the eyes of Perplexity, Gemini, ChatGPT, all the other models. They reward consistency and freshness like no other. So your workflow also needs a maintenance loop. So every 60 to 90 days, depending on your industry, go in and review your top articles. That means update the definitions, add examples, tighten it up for clarity, refresh data points. These little small changes give off a signal that the information is current, which dramatically increases your chances of being cited as an answer. And finally, layer in some authority signals. So go in and add author schema, link to reputable sources like you would for traditional AI search, cite your research, and keep a consistent point of view across your entire content engine. Authority is not really about being loud, it's just about being trustworthy. And when your content demonstrates trust on every page or everywhere you post it, these engines feel more confident pulling it in as an answer. So as a recap, here's your system. Source of truth, question bank, a reusable outline, a 2-week publishing cycle, a maintenance loop, and those simple authority signals. So this is how you build an AI search content engine. Once you put this in place, your visibility stops becoming a mystery and starts becoming predictable. Hey, I'm covering all of this and more here on this channel in the Found in AI podcast. Subscribe and stick around because I'm covering this in every episode from here on out. I'll see you in the next one.